Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw and color Princess Peppa Pig. First, let's draw the shape of Peppa Pig's princess crown. Then, the shape of her face. Do you like to be a princess? I feel the same way. Her nose. Let's draw her eyes. Next, her lip. Her cheek. Let's draw the shape of Peppa Pig's body. Look, she opened her eyes. I'm drawing her arms and hands. Princess Peppa Pig is happy to see you. Next, her tail. Lastly, her legs and shoes. Join me as we add color to Princess Peppa Pig together. Let's put blue, red, green and yellow color on her crown. A purple color as well. A light pink color on her nose. A light pink color as well on her face. Imagine being a princess. It's like stepping into a world of sparkles and smiles. Picture yourself in a beautiful gown, with a crown that shines as bright as your imagination. Being a princess means twirling in grand ballrooms, having tea parties with friendly teddy bears, and spreading kindness like glitter everywhere you go. A pink color on her cheek. A pink color on her dress. So, little princesses, let your dreams soar, and remember that in your magical kingdom, every day is filled with joy, giggles, and the enchantment of being uniquely you. Do you like her pink dress, too? It is so pretty. A light pink color on her arms, tail, and legs. And a black color on her shoes. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.